So how can you tell if there is a new firmware available for your device? Let's take a look at Luna F as an example. Here we are on the control page. Let's go to devices. When an update is available, the update firmware button will be highlighted in orange. This indicates that a new firmware version is available for your device. Here you can see the currently installed version, which is 1.6.2, as well as the latest available version, which is 1.6.3, and also previous versions. So by clicking on the arrow, you can review the release notes and see the changes, the improvements, or new features are included in the release. So once you select it, you can click on Next. Before update starts, a number of warnings and recommendations will be displayed. The most important points are to keep AUDAC Touch running during the update process and not to disconnect power or network connection from the device being updated. After confirming the warning, the update process will be queued and started automatically.